Looking for kitchen knives that make chopping and dicing easier without the frustration of food sticking to the blade? KitchenAid Santoku knives deliver exactly that. Designed with special ridges along the blades, these knives keep your slicing smooth and hassle-free, perfect for everyday meal prep, especially when working with vegetables. What sets these knives apart is their expert craftsmanship. Forged from semi-polished, high-carbon Japanese steel, they're hardened and tempered to hold a sharp edge longer than typical kitchen knives. This means you get consistent, professional quality cuts every time you pick them up. Plus, the set includes two essential sizes, a 7-inch and a 5-inch Santoku knife, giving you versatility whether you're tackling big chopping jobs or more delicate slicing. Comfort and control matter just as much as sharpness. That's why these knives feature Eastern-style ergonomic handles with a triple riveted design. The textured finish ensures a secure grip, while the stainless steel endcap adds balance and stability. You'll notice the difference the moment you start slicing, with a handle that feels natural and steady in your hand. Safety and care are also top priorities. Each knife comes with a custom-fit blade cover, making storage safe and protecting the blade between uses. While these knives are dishwasher safe on the top rack, hand washing and drying immediately will extend their life and maintain that sharp edge longer. Still, they're built tough enough to handle regular dishwasher cycles without rust or spots, so you don't have to worry about daily upkeep slowing you down. If you're someone who enjoys cooking but wants to skip the hassle of sticky blades and dull knives, this KitchenAid Santoku set is worth a look. It balances quality, comfort, and convenience without the premium price tag of high-end cutlery. Whether you're prepping meals for your family or just want reliable knives that perform well every day, these Santoku knives are a solid choice. Ready to upgrade your kitchen tools and experience smoother, faster chopping? Try the KitchenAid Santoku knife set when you're ready. It's a practical investment that transforms your meal prep routine with sharp blades, ergonomic handles, and easy care. Make cooking more enjoyable, one slice at a time.